Have you ever wondered if using a buy now, pay later service like Zippay could impact your credit score? It's a question that's been on the minds of many consumers, and today, we're diving deep into it. Let's start by understanding what Zippay is. It's a popular BNPL, buy now, pay later, service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments over a specified period. It's a convenient way to spread out payments, but the question remains, does it affect your credit? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Diving deeper. Zippay and hard inquiries. One of the main concerns is whether Zippay makes hard inquiries on your credit report. A hard inquiry can temporarily lower your credit score. While Zippay does perform a soft inquiry when you create an account, it typically doesn't make hard inquiries for each purchase. However, it's always a good idea to check their terms and conditions for any specific exceptions. Late payments and negative impacts. If you miss a payment on your Zippay account, it can have a negative impact on your credit score. Late payments are reported to credit bureaus, which can lower your creditworthiness. It's crucial to make your payments on time to avoid any adverse consequences. Zippay and credit building. On the flip side, using Zippay responsibly can potentially help build your credit. If you consistently make your payments on time, Zippay may report your payment history to credit bureaus. This can be beneficial for individuals with limited credit history. Alternative credit reporting. Zippay and other BNPL services often use alternative credit reporting methods. This means they may consider factors beyond your traditional credit score, such as your payment history with them. If you have a positive payment history with Zippay, it could help you build a more complete credit profile. Factors to consider. When deciding whether to use Zippay or another BNPL service, it's essential to consider the following factors. Your credit goals. If you're trying to improve your credit score, using Zippay responsibly can be a positive step. However, if you're concerned about maintaining a high credit score, you might want to be cautious. Your financial situation. Assess your ability to make timely payments. If you're unsure about your financial situation, it might be best to avoid using BNPL services. Alternative payment options. Consider other payment options, such as credit cards or personal loans. These options may have different terms and conditions, so it's important to compare them carefully. Ultimately, whether Zippay affects your credit score depends on how you use it. If you make your payments on time and use it responsibly, it can potentially help build your credit. However, if you miss payments or overuse it, it can have a negative impact. Before using Zippay or any other BNPL service, carefully review their terms and conditions and understand the potential consequences. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.